guys, this is Cyber DIGADO from DIGADO Technologies, and today I'm going to show you how you can remain anonymous on the internet. Most of you people think that using proxies, or let me say using VPNs, is the only way to remain anonymous on the internet. Most of you think are using Tor browser and those kind of things. Most of you even think using others' computers, okay, to let me say to browse on the internet makes you anonymous on the internet. But I'm going to show you with this let me say computer. It is called Tail, okay. Yeah. So what this Tail means is. You are going to make your pen drive bootable. You are going to install this computer on your pen drive so that you make it bootable. So anytime that you want to browse on the internet safely, you just launch it from your pen drive, then you start browsing. Okay, so after browsing, all your tools get lost. All your cookies, your browse history, everything get erased, so no one can even track you. Okay, good. After browsing, after doing whatever that you want to do on the internet, you just launch your computer from your bootable drive using the Tail. Okay, yeah, a software called Tail, in which you are going to make it or input it on your pen drive to make it bootable. So instead of you booting your computer from your main computer or from your host computer, this time I'm going to boot it from your pen drive with the help of Tail. So after surfing on the internet, after doing whatever that you want, your history is going to erase. So whatever that you do on the internet remains safe and anonymous. This means no one can track you. Okay, no one can track you. And so I'm going to just show you how it is. Okay, I'm not going to show you the full video how you are going to install Tail on a pen drive. No, that video will come next, or simply you can find my number under the description, then you text me, then I show you the tutorials in which you are going to install the Tail on your pen drive. Okay, good. So let's get over to my screen and let me show you how it is. So as you can see, this is the screen. Okay, yeah, the desktop. Okay, so you can see all these things. You can click on show applications. So these are the applications on the Tail. You can find Tor browser, you can find calculator, everything. Okay, so basically these are the applications on it. Good. So as you can see, on my home, you can see desktop, document, downloads. Okay, as you can find on your Windows operating system. Okay, good. You can also power it off and restart it as how you've been operating your Windows operating system. Okay, good. But you see, I told you after shutting it down, everything is going to be erased. But hey, you can create a persistent storage, which means that you can store something. At least you can store your document, your Wi-Fi password, your browser bookmarks, and so on. You can store or save something on it. Okay, but for that one, you have to create a persistent storage. You have to put a passphrase and a password on it. Okay, so what this means is, whenever you shut down this computer and you, let me say, shut it on again, whatever that you saved or stored under the persistent storage isn't going to be lost. You are going to get them back again. Okay, so basically this is how the persistent storage is. Okay, thank you for watching, and once again, if you want to know how to install it on your pen drive, just find my number under the description and text me. Thanks for watching.